Emma pushed open the glass door of Victor's bakery. A bell chimed, and the heavy scent of burnt sugar and vanilla hit them instantly. The shop was packed with customers clutching boxes tied in gold ribbons. Emma pointed eagerly at the display case. "There it is, Grandma. The award-winning chocolate cake." They bought a single slice, dark and glossy, topped with a perfect chocolate curl. Grandma Rose took a small bite and chewed slowly, while Emma watched with wide eyes, waiting for the verdict. Grandma Rose set her fork down. "It is beautiful to look at," she said, "but it is far too sweet for my taste." Suddenly, a shadow fell over their table. Victor, the baker, stood there with arms crossed, his white apron pristine. "Too sweet," he repeated, his voice rising. "That recipe has won 3 regional awards. It is perfection." The chatter died down as customers turned to watch. Grandma Rose did not flinch. She pushed the plate back. "Awards are for judges, Victor, but a cake should be for the palate. This lacks balance. This lacks balance." The challenge was set for the town square. Victor arrived with humming mixers and professional gear, his face a mask of arrogance. Grandma Rose arrived with only a wooden bowl, a whisk, and a simple bag of flour. As Victor piped intricate, complex decorations, Grandma Rose began beating eggs by hand, her movements steady and rhythmic. The smell of baking flour filled the morning air. When the timer buzzed, the mayor stepped forward. He tasted Victor's cake with a polite nod. Then, he tried Grandma's simple sponge. He closed his eyes, savoring the light, airy texture as the crowd held its collective breath. Finally, he wiped his mouth and pointed to the wooden bowl. "The simplicity wins today." Victor stared at the empty plate in total shock. Grandma Rose simply wiped her hands on her apron and walked back to Emma. As the crowd erupted in cheers, they left the square, leaving the famous baker alone with his silence and his awards.